Kapod wan e weche mag thieth en ni jochiw thieth e kaunti ma Nandi gi Uasin Gishu oriwore gi jowetegi e ng'anyo madhi mbele Kenya mangima ka giseo governors kuom rem chopo winjruok mane gikete kogno. Ka giloso Eldoret kod Kapsabet e kinde lando ayanga ng'anyono, jotelo mag jochiw thieth go eko wacho ni gikawo okang' makamano kaluwore gi nyawo mosebeto e winjo ywakgi. Ng'anyoni giyango ni dhi nyime nyaka chop dwachgi, kama bende oriwo keto tim winjruok manobedo e kinde mokalo.
Tukakuwa directed by SRC tuweze kufanya a national dialogue so that ili kwamba CBA tuikuwe uniform kwa kila county. Wakati tulienda negotiations zetu zika collapse na kizingiti kuu ni governors hawataki kuimplement CBA.
Tumefanya kazi na county for the last 6 years bila kupewa makaratasi ya kudumu.
We have arrears of 2017. We were given promotion 2017 in the Nandi county, but the arrears for 3 months were not made up to date, and we are demanding the payment of those arrears. Before we stay back on duty, we need the payment of those arrears. Public Service Board, they have stepped on our career guidelines. Can you make sure that board make sure that they are using our career guidelines so that we move as other people are moving?
The medical cover for the healthcare workers, especially for our nurses, it is not fair. Some nurses are getting the medical cover and some are not getting. We need equality, we need fairness, and the medical cover should be as per the SRC guidelines.
County Commissioner